Hello! Welcome to my channel, and I have a special guest here, and her name is
Brienne.
Oh, or you can call her Brie, and she loves unicorns. And I went to SM to buy her a toy, and it's a surprise, diba? You will watch it in her videos. Anyway, meron kaming pa-contest. Ay, meron kaming giveaway. Here it is. Wait. Kaya siya.
We got them.
Yeah, these are unicorn beanies. She would love to share it with girls like her.
That's two girls because I have
For two ba? O sige, she will be giving 2 giveaways yung unicorn toys. And all you have to do is leave a comment and like this video, and I will post the mechanics. So keep on watching and answer this question. What is Brie's favorite little pony character? It's a secret.
Yeah.
It is a
Just
mystery.
tell us and just guess it. What is it?
Yeah, that's right. So, and thank you. Hi, I'm here at SM, and I'm here to buy Brie a toy because she is very good in her online class, and she deserves to have a new toy. And I'm going to the department store to look for it. Nandun yung mga favorite niya. So, let's check it out. And I'm on my way to the department store. Well, let's take a look. Konti na talaga tao dito sa SM. Even on normal days, ha. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Super bilang lang. So, the department store here in SM is on the 3rd floor. So, maliit lang itong SM na to. Kaya, pero kumpleto siya, ha. Let's go there. Bili ko sana siya ng mask, eh. Ang kids is big shark. Ito unicorn. Unicorn hat lang. Ito yun, oh. Unicorn. Free size ba yan? This one?
Para sa bata na.
Ito na lang. Toy for Brie. Ano kaya gusto niya? Ay, ito cute. Ang cute nito. She likes unicorns. Parang ito binili ko para sa kanya. Let's check some hachimals. Hachimals. Ito favorite din niya. She likes this one. TY ba yan? Ito, favorite niya. So it's not stuff. Oh, this one is cute. I wonder if she likes it. So, magkano siya? $2.49 lang, oh. What else can we buy? I'll do that. Daming sale toys dito. Pero, syempre, I'm gonna buy her something. Ano kaya? Ito for this one is any 2 for 100 pesos. Ang dami, oh. Ang cute nila. Mga stuff toy na to ay magugustuhan ng mga kids. So cuddly. Dami, no? This one, ang favorite ni Brie. So, sale siya. 50% off. Wow! Alam mo na favorite nun? Pink. So, merong white. So, no, it's 299. So that's 149. Oh. Ayan ang gusto ni Brie. The pink, sparkle, may sequence, unicorn. And this one is blue. Maganda din siya. Wow. Oh, shiny, shimmering, splendid. This is really nice. I love it. I love it too. Oh, may bag pa. Just wow. Eto ang Little Pony. Alam mo, may favorite si Brie na Little Pony character eh. Basta isa sa mga yan. Take a look. Ganda-ganda. Me too, I like Little Pony. So, ito yung napili ko, bilhin for Brie. I hope she will like it. I think it's really pretty. Ayan. And it's only 149 each kasi 299 yung original price niya. So, it's really cheap na. And this one too, I think this is around 20 pesos. So, I choose also these TY beanies and this unicorn hat for Brie. Puro unicorn. Naku, favorite niya talaga lahat to. Oh, diba? Ayan, unicorn pa. Unicorn everywhere. I have a surprise for Brie. I have a surprise for Brie. Here. Open your surprise, Brie. Do you like it? Is it beautiful?
Oh, another? Again?
Oh, you have another one.
Gold?
You have another one here, Brie. Here.
Gold?
Yeah, take a look. You will put that in your room. You stick it sa wall. Ganda. Wow.
Sisiki.
Let me check.
Ano?
You show your toy. Come on.
Sisiki.
Ay, ganda. Ay, galag. Oh, diba? It's full of glitters or sequins. La. Oh, very nice, no?
Sisiki, may balabas.
Okay, let's take it. The room, ganda, oh. Oh, yeah. There, oh. Nice. Charan. It's like a wall decor or some room decor. How about this one? Did you like this one?
Yeah.
I bought this for sale at SM. See, you have lots of unicorns already. So where will you put this on your collection? Oh, ganda. Yeah. Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10.
Wow, so many unicorns, stuffed toys. Oh, yan oh. So pretty. So, what can you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. I will buy you more unicorn toys. You like Little Pony?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This one is Little Pony. It is Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie ba to? And yung hachimals. Oh, may heart. And there's a free one. And a little hachimal. Okay, let's open first the...
babies.
Huh? Yeah. I will help you open it. Oh, ganda to. Ito muna. This one.
Pinkie Pie is cute.
Yeah. Wow.
Look, this is
Oh.
yeah, my Pinkie Pie.
Is she your favorite pony?
I think so.
Oh, who's your favorite pony now?
Twilight.
Oh, next time you're gonna get Twilight Sparkle. You're gonna collect it, right? Oh, you can come here.
Let's put this off. This thing, and we'll get it.
Wow.
We'll get this off. I'm going to get.
Okay.
Let's get something else so Pinkie Pie can be like this, really crazy. Really, her hair is messy.
I think you're gonna need scissors to remove this one.
Alright, let's get scissors.
So you can now play with Pinkie Pie. I can comb her hair. Oh, she has very nice hair. How about this one? Let's check it out. Oh, hachimals. Yeah, get it. Wow. Oh, it fell down. It's a heart shape. It's stuck. Let me see. So there are the hachimal babies. We open it. So in order for us to hatch the heart, we need to rub it. It says under instruction. Yan, rub.
Instruction is here. So you can collect them.
How many do you think they are?
There are too many.
Too many of them? So you need to collect them all.
Yeah. So what you collect?
Can you show it to me? Wow! Oh, what is that?
This is a map so you can collect them. I collected some. I'm going to look at the map.
Mm-hmm.
This is I like to get that. So we get what we get. This one.
Let's open this first so you will know what you will get.
I get this.
Oh, wait, what is that?
This is.
Then
what
show
we
me.
get. This we
Oh,
get. We're going to get this and
you
then.
like that one? That's pretty. Okay, it's time for me to hatch it.
Alright.
Okay, just press it. Look at it. Oh, look at it.
I'm going to help you.
What do you think it is?
Emeralds.
It's a unicorn mermaid. I think because she has a horn.
No. Unicorn side is not a horn.
How about the other one?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, and it's the plastic. You only have one? Oh, I see. I thought you're gonna get two. Oh, she has a baby.
I get one. See fold.
You know. Let me see the baby.
Ah.
Ah.
Again.
Let me see the baby.
That's the babies. The baby.
Oh, do you like it? Is hachimals also your favorite? We gotta collect them all, no?
This is Thank you, Mommy. Bye.
Say thank you, Mommy, for the toys.
Thank you, Mommy, for the toys. Bye.
Then say like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.